Ayyub, a prophet of Allah, lived a life full of blessings. He was wealthy, with abundant livestock and a loving family. His heart overflowed with gratitude for Allah's generosity. Ayyub never took his blessings for granted. He constantly praised Allah, his heart filled with thankfulness. His piety and devotion were known throughout the land. Ayyub's life was a testament to Allah's favor. He was a beacon of faith, inspiring those around him. He used his wealth to help the poor and spread Allah's message. His life was a shining example of faith and devotion. Fate, however, took a turn. Ayyub's wealth vanished, his livestock perished, and his possessions were destroyed. He lost his children in a series of tragic events. Grief overwhelmed him, yet he remained steadfast in his faith. Then his health deteriorated. A terrible illness afflicted him, covering his body in sores. He was reduced to skin and bones, enduring constant pain. Despite the overwhelming hardships, Ayyub never questioned Allah's wisdom. Through it all, Ayyub remained patient. He never cursed his fate or questioned Allah's plan. He understood that trials are part of life, a test of faith. His heart, though heavy with grief, remained firm in its belief. Indeed, we found him patient, Allah says in the Quran, a testament to Ayyub's unwavering faith in the face of adversity. He continued to pray, seeking solace and strength from his Creator. His patience became a beacon of light in his darkest hour. Throughout his ordeal, Ayyub's wife stood by him. She remained a pillar of strength, her love unwavering. She cared for him tirelessly, her loyalty a testament to their bond. She never complained, her spirit mirroring her husband's resilience. She worked to support them, her love for Ayyub never faltering. Her unwavering faith in Allah was an inspiration to her husband. She embodied the true meaning of companionship, especially in times of hardship. Years passed, and Ayyub's suffering continued. Even the most devout could be forgiven a moment of weakness. "My Lord," he cried, "indeed adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." He didn't question Allah's decree, but expressed the depth of his pain. His plea was not one of despair, but a heartfelt cry for relief. It was a reminder of his humanity, even in his prophetic stature. His faith, though tested, never truly wavered. Section 6. A turning point. Allah, the all-hearing, responded to Ayyub's plea. He instructed Ayyub to strike the ground with his foot. A spring of clear, cool water gushed forth from the earth. Ayyub drank from the water, feeling his body begin to heal. His sores, which had caused him so much pain, began to disappear. His strength returned, and his body was renewed. It was a sign of Allah's mercy, a testament to his power over all things. Section 7. Divine Restoration. With his health restored, Ayyub's blessings returned. Allah blessed him with wealth even greater than before. His flocks multiplied, and his land yielded abundant crops. He was blessed with a new generation of children, filling his life with joy. His story became a testament to Allah's power and mercy. He was a symbol of hope for those facing adversity, a reminder that Allah never forsakes his faithful servants. Section 8. Lessons in Faith. Ayyub's story is an inspiration to all. It teaches us the importance of patience in the face of adversity. It reminds us to remain grateful, even when times are tough. Above all, it highlights the power of unwavering faith in Allah. Ayyub's life teaches us that trials are a test of faith. Through patience and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle. Section 9. A legacy of endurance. Ayyub's story is a timeless reminder of Allah's boundless mercy. It resonates through generations, offering solace and inspiration. His legacy of patience and faith continues to guide us, reminding us that after every hardship comes ease. May we all strive to embody the qualities of Prophet Ayyub, facing life's challenges with grace and unwavering faith.